We had the opportunity to write a grant through the New Albany Education Foundation to create this outdoor learning space. We really saw the opportunity to allow the space to be more involved with learning and the school community. We wanted it to be a space where people could get out of the classroom, the four walls that were contained in all day, and have the opportunity to breathe some fresh air, to get some sunshine, to move about a little bit more. We are able to get our students outside more.
I've been really surprised at how many students are interested in the outdoor classroom. I've had a lot of kids ask if they can help me refill the bird feeders, plant flowers, water. They really have taken on the job of caring for this space and taking care of this space, and it has been such a pleasant surprise to see them take ownership and want to have hands-on help with this space.
Just being a different environment would provide some of our students with the opportunity to kind of like reset their day. It's just a great place to learn.